Hello everyone, I am Pooja. Today I am going to talk about the 14th principles of management, and that is Esprit de Corps. Esprit de Corps means union is strength. It is one of the 14th principles of management developed by Fayol. He emphasized on teamwork. According to him, the management must develop a feeling of belongingness among the employees so that they can contribute maximum to achieve the team goal. The manager must start saying we rather than saying I. It inspires the employees who work with him. In simple word, manager must make employees to feel that they are also the part of the organization. The principles of Esprit de Corps is based on two theories. One is unity is strength, and another one is unity of staff is the foundation to success in any organization. Now let me talk about team building and teamwork of companies. Teamwork is not always something which happens by its own, especially in workplace setting. Every organization, whether big or small, is made up of and defined by the people who comprise it. The staff and the employees form an integral part of the organization, without which the organization in the truest sense would be incomplete. The people in an organization make or break the organization. Having people around makes them work together in team and groups. The principle of teamwork and esprit de corps have to be incorporated into the organizational system to ensure the achievement of organizational objectives and goals. Let us discuss about the important steps that you can incorporate into building esprit de corps in your workplace. First one, reward cooperation and efforts. Efforts and cooperation should be rewarded. If the teams are performing well, the team members should be appreciated and their efforts should be recognized. And second one, make the group increase its own morale. It has been found out through studies that peer pressure is usually more successful in motivating employees than pressure from the top. So make the team members motivate each other. And the third one, plan occasions and trips where people can be away together. A curious thing happens when you take a group of people away from their ordinary surroundings. They get to see the creative side of each other. They become more open to new ideas and they form strong bonds with each other rather quickly. And such trips become source of happiness and help to form bonds which will help in both personal as well as professional lives. Let us discuss about positive and negative impacts of Esprit de Corps. And first, its positive impact. Achievement of group goal, development of team spirit, high morale of employees, cooperation and coordination in the organization. And now its negative impact. Non-achievement of the organizational objectives, conflicting environment in the organization, lacks maximum participation from employees. And fourth one, encourage communication. Many times there are conflicts among group members. The group becomes dysfunctional. People fight among each other and small misunderstandings become major grievance and source of disagreements, etc. One of the main reasons why this would be happening would be due to a lack of communication and discussion. You should make sure that the team gets enough opportunity to interact with each other and have healthy discussion. And by this, I conclude team building is very important for the success of an organization. Thank you.